If you've been consuming content and you've been on the internet, you're looking at social media, and you've been trying to figure out what business to start, you don't need to look any further. This is it. You can start a Skool community. Now, this is something we've been working on for a long time, and you're going to want to hear the whole thing because you're going to be able to win a lot of prizes and make a lot of money. The first of these prizes by participating in the Skool Games is flying out to Vegas with 10 other business owners who crushed the Skool Games and spending a full day here with me so we can take your business from where it is to wherever you want to go. We'll have leaderboards that will rank everyone in real time to see who is making the most money on the Skool platform. Now, the reason that starting a group on Skool is one of the easiest businesses, or if not the easiest business that you can start today, is a couple reasons. One is that most businesses require startup capital. This one doesn't. You can start for free, you can use free tools on the internet. All right, number one. Number two is that you don't need inventory, so you don't have to worry about logistics or supply chain or drop shipping or any of that kind of stuff. Number three is that you don't need to hire other people in order to make this business work. So if you're alone on your own, you're a solopreneur, you're just getting started, you can start making money on the internet using this without anything else. And for me, as somebody who's had a large audience of people who've been trying to figure out ways to make money, I spent the last 4 years looking for something that I actually believed was the easiest, highest likelihood opportunity for people to pursue, and this is it. Now, the biggest three questions that people come to me is, I don't know what to sell, I don't have an audience, and I'm not an expert. And the nice thing about Skool and the Skool Games is that you don't have to have any of these things. We actually solve all three. So Skool has been built, it took us 5 years to get here, so that we know you need no extra tools. It's not like you come in and they're like, okay, go sign up for this, this, and this. It's all here, and you can get it all for free to start with a 14-day free trial. All right, but on top of that, you're gonna have a community of other people who are also in this tournament with you. They're playing the Skool Games with you. They're also trying to win, and they're sharing in the Skool community how they're playing the game, just like I encourage you to as well. And so we're gonna be doing literally what we practice, because we're gonna be building this community and letting the community come up with the better and more tactical answers to show you how to do it for yourself. And then finally, the training we will also provide for you. And so when I think about changing someone's life, I want to change where they are, I give them a new community. I want to change what they're thinking about, so I give them training. And I want to make sure they have all the tools at their disposal to actually make it happen. Right? If I told you to build a website, but you didn't have a connection to the internet, really tough to do. Right? And so if we remove any constraints you have around tools, we put you in a community of people who are trying to do the same thing, and we give the education to do it, you can do it. You can win. Next steps. Go to the next page. Start the free trial, enter your information, join the Skool Games, and I'll see you inside.